Hey everyone. So I was going to jump on here and make a quick video on my wife's 2015 Chevy Cruze LTZ 1.4 liter. So the issue that we had was it threw a code that said engine power reduced and service stability track and traction control. So we had it scanned out with a scanner that you plug into your car, and it'll pretty much read the computer and tell you what's wrong with it. And the code that came back, it was P2101. And with that code, pretty much read, it said that the throttle body was faulty on the car. So I went and got a new throttle body. And for those of you wondering what the throttle body is, it's this piece right here. This whole piece right here. That's your throttle body. And I swapped it out, and that fixed our issue. And it was actually quite easy to replace. You just had to loosen this hose clamp right here, and this sensor right here had to be unplugged, and also this sensor right here. And then you can pull the hose, kind of away from there to where you can access the bolts, which is just it's going to be an Allen key, which it's held by 4 bolts. There's one right over there, one right over there, and then there's one down there, and one in that back corner there. And that one's a little bit hard to get to, but it works out pretty good. And that fixed our problem. And I was just gonna kind of tell you guys what kind of issues we were having with it and what we did to fix it. And it's actually quite easy to swap out, but I'm not giving any advice on how to do it, because I'm not a mechanic. So if you feel comfortable doing it yourself, it's pretty simple. But you can also go to your local mechanic. You can go either way about it. And the one that we put on afterwards, it was a Delco, and that was kind of the box that it came in. But if your car is a different year model or whatever it may be, I would just double check your parts and everything. Some might be different. And but yeah, so that was pretty much it. It was quite easy. And yeah, that's pretty much all for today. So hopefully this video wasn't too screechy or so forth. Well, thank you guys.